Today on This Is How I Chow, we are featuring Bumblebees Korean Barbecue. This Korean American fusion first opened in 2014 out in Midvale, Utah. Since then, they have gotten a food truck, another location as West Valley, and very recently, a location in Provo. Well, let's go inside and show you around. Edward's parents started these restaurants for the freedom of working for themselves and to share some Korean cultural foods. The recipes all come from his mom, and the fusion came from the rest of the family. Let's head to the back of the restaurant to meet this busy bee.
Hey, my name's Edward. I'm the owner here at Bumblebees KBBQ or Korean American Fusion in Provo. Right now I'm going to make some K-pop fries for you.
These fries were awesome. Fully loaded beef bulgogi fries with a little sriracha kick that really gives you the pop of flavor in your mouth. Next, he makes some spicy pork Dup-Bop, which is served over a bed of rice. You can get this dish with rice, noodles, or mixed half and half. With a side of kimchi, I highly recommend trying this dish. Once again, this is how I chow.